Hello, my friends. Well, continuing with my wine series, I've done one that I guess could be called Merlot, and did a Chardonnay, and now I'm going to do a rosé pour. Now, the rosé I like to drink is kind of a peachy color, so I know this is very bright, but when it mixes with the white, it will simmer down a bit, I hope. And it's a beautiful color. It's by Arteza, and it's called Pearl Amaranth Red. Beautiful, peachy, rich peach color. Then I mixed some Arteza Pearl Magenta. I mixed 3 parts white, 1 part of the Pearl Magenta to get this light pink color. Then I mixed those two together to come up with a blend of those, which I think is quite lovely. And then I mixed some silver just to add a little contrast and a kind of a frosty look. So let's get to it. Now, it's, you know how the issue that people have been having with the Loft Flow Acrylic White creating all those cells. Well, it didn't do it on the Chardonnay one I poured. So I don't know if it was a particular bottle or what, but I didn't change the recipe in any way. So found that interesting. So I don't know. I can't remember which bottle I used for this one of white, but I'm curious to see if it will sell up or not. I actually prefer the Chardonnay one with less cells than I got on the red one. And I have not embellished the red one in any way yet. I may still do it. I have some time before I need these over there, but just haven't decided. Okay, I'll touch up the sides when I'm done here. But they have some paint on them, so that's good. All right. I'm going to put the bright peach color down first, because I just want a hint of it. I mean, I think it could be pretty strong, and I do need, you know, more contrast, and that's why I'm using it. But I don't think I'll use a lot of it. So here we go. Coral, that's the color I was trying to come up with. That's what I would call that color. It's gorgeous. And now the Pearl Magenta. And now the mix. Well, maybe I'll put the silver down next, and then I'll do the mix. Now the mix. That was awkward pouring out of that container. I ran out of the little cups and I didn't need much paint, so I thought I'd try that, but that did not work so well. Okay. Alrighty. It could be enough. Here we go. that's all I'm going to do. I think. Let me look at it. Okay, it is selling up some. Oh gosh, it's pretty. This to me, that area is very nice as far as the colors I'm going for. Oh, it's sweet. There's some darling little cells here. Should I blow that out some more? Oh, what to do? It looks a little straight here. I think I need to do something. I'm just going to come this way, and I'm not going to add any more paint. I'm just going to blow that out a little more. Okay, stop. All right. I like that. I think I'm done. I think I'm happy with it. Do I want to use my palette knife a little bit, perhaps? I like that look there. Not crazy about this area right here. Oh, it's so minor. Should I pull anything out? Should I leave it alone? I'm just going to run this up a little bit. It's very subtle. Oh gosh, this is so pretty. I can't wait to bring you down for a closer look at this area. Thinking of scraping a little. No, I'll leave it. I'll leave it alone. I'm happy with it. I wish I had blown this a little bit more. Here, I said I'm happy, and now I'm picking it apart. But I don't want to. I want to maintain this negative space, so I'm gonna leave it alone. Okay, let me show you up close the area I'm raving about. Right there. So I did get the selling up, but not a crazy amount, and I'm happy with that. And this is the part I initially thought was very pretty, and I think it is. It's the colors I wanted to achieve. Just not sure about that center. Well, maybe this is one I will embellish, and I'll paint over that area. I just don't want to mess with it. I don't want to blow it out anymore. But maybe I will paint a wine glass kind of laying across this area there to kind of disguise that section I don't care for. All right, well, 3 down, another 1 or 2 to go, and we'll call this series done. Thanks for joining me, my friends. Bye-bye.